there were nine little ladybugs skipping on a gate. Along came a caterpillar. Then there were 8 little ladybugs looking up at heaven. Along came a bird. Then there were 7 little ladybugs resting on sticks. Along came a grasshopper. Then there were 6 little ladybugs flying near a hive. Along came a bee or bumblebee. Then there were 5 little ladybugs.